I joined the force in September, so we're currently 4 or 5 months into training now. So I chose policing in USW because obviously the theory you've got to learn, but then it was really good that we were able to put the theory into practice as well. The Hydra suite, which was massive help, and also the crime scene house, so it made it a bit more realistic then as such. When I finished my professional policing degree at the university, I applied to the South Wales Police. So when I started doing the 26-week training, obviously it felt great because it's the start of my career within South Wales Police. So the people I'm currently training alongside now, I went through 3 years in university with, so it's kind of nice to come over and actually have friendly faces and things in training, because obviously a new job, it can be quite nervous sometimes if you don't know people. All the theory and things that we learnt in university, like the legislation, the practical elements, like arresting and things, we've already covered here in uni. It's kind of revisiting it and a refresher, so it's a massive help in bringing over the theory from university, bringing it actually to the police service.